Zippy. It's got a lot of power. Very glad it's got that self-stabilizing mode on it. It doesn't matter how much you practice in the simulator with these things, they always feel alien when you try them in real life. I think I might spend quite a few flights. This isn't, that tiny blue battery, I don't know if you can see on the camera underneath it, is not the proper one for this drone. I've got a much bigger one coming in the post, which is a more powerful one as well. So I'm not doing anything fancy today. I wasn't planning to. This is just a test of it. But just getting the feel of the thing, especially in self-stabilizing mode, I think I might be spending quite a few flights just going easy on it like this. I don't know, it might be easier if I wear the goggles. It's quite a big leap from the Hubsan. It just feels a lot more. I mean, if I... Let's just, with self-stabilizing mode on, let's just, what happens if I gun it? Oh yeah, yeah, it's got, that wasn't even full throttle. That was like, maybe 2/3 throttle. Right. Touch her down.